How you doing? This is your boy Keep It Real Andre, and I'm doing some quick and fast. So right here, I got the rice. This is a one-pot thing. You know what I'm saying? Put the rice, tomato, onion, bell pepper, and a little butter. You know, a little black pepper, salt, and the broccoli in there. And then once that's bubble up and cook, I'm gonna add my seasoning, black pepper, bay, garlic. I'm gonna have it with some Dutty gyal, some tin mackerel. That's like a Jamaican ghetto dish, you know. Use it mainly like persons in Jamaica that's maybe not financially up like that. They normally tend to eat this a lot, but anybody eat it still. It's just a quick quick meal, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna do like a one pot, guys. So that's what I'm gonna have, you know what I'm saying? Because I gotta get ready for work, and it's just a lot, So stay tuned, man. It's your boy Keep It Real Andre. Remember, like it, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm out.